Okay guys, here's my 68 Camaro driver car. Actually about a 20-foot paint job. Was a older kind of amateur paint job. It's really showing its age. Yeah. We have fresh drivetrain, 350, 700R, so you've got overdrive, a Posi rear end in it, nice wheels and tires, black on black. Originally V8 car, 4-speed car. Now it's obviously got the automatic. But yeah, there's some spots. I don't know if you'll be able to see them all in the video of in the paint. Lots of flaws in the paint. Really needs a paint job. And my paint guy saw this and he's like, I'll give you a week to sell it and I'm gonna start on it. So after we put a nice paint job on it, its price goes up 10 grand. That easy. So you get into a real nice Camaro. It's a driver. Does need floor pans, which I do have the sheet metal. The floor pans need to be replaced. Few spots in the trunk. Trunk's not bad. A couple of spots that need to be repaired. Obviously interior is really nice except for these seat bottoms. Need new seat bottoms, but the headliner, back seat, door panels, dash, carpet, all in nice shape. It's got the aftermarket gauges. Speedometer does work, it's fairly accurate. Wipers work. Of course, your headlights and signals all working. Fuel gauge is inop, and I noticed when I filled it up to the top, it did leak a little bit, so that seal on the top needs to be replaced. It's been fun driving. It's a great driving car, very reliable. Let's see. Get in. Get the key. Good oil pressure. Doesn't run hot. Flowmaster duals on it. Sorry about that, had to set the phone down. Good open. Nice clean engine compartment. Power steering, power brakes. Like I said, it's a great driving car, just like it is. Turnkey, get in and go. If it doesn't sell, I'll put a paint job on it. It'll be a whole different scenario then. Guys, there you go.